Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to add a payment method to your iPhone so you can easily make purchases on the App Store. First things first, let's open the App Store on your iPhone. Got it open? Great. Now look for your Apple account icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen and tap on it. Okay, once you've tapped on your account icon, click on your account name at the very top of the screen. Give it a few seconds to load, and you'll see your account settings. Now, all we need to do is click on Manage Payments. You should see a list of your current payment methods, if you already have any. To add a new one, simply click on Add Payment Method. Now you can select the type of payment method you want to use: credit card, debit card, PayPal, whatever works for you. Go ahead and enter all the necessary details for your chosen payment method. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Once you've entered all the information, click on Done in the top right-hand corner. And that's it. Your payment method will be successfully added. And that's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.